Hi, what's up everyone? In today's video, we're diving into something all developers will appreciate. The best keyboards for developers you can buy on Amazon. Whether you're coding, gaming, or typing away on a project, a good keyboard is an absolute game changer. And I've got some amazing options to discuss today. All the links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Now let's jump right in. On number 6, Logitech MX Keys S for Mac wireless keyboard. Ever wondered what it feels like to have a keyboard that almost feels like an extension of your hands? The Logitech MX Keys S for Mac does just that. It's perfect for Mac users who want a keyboard that's both premium and practical. With its sleek, low-profile design, it fits beautifully alongside your MacBook or iMac. The scissor whip keys offer an ultra-responsible typing experience that's both quiet and comfortable, even during long hours of work. The backlighting automatically adjusts based on ambient light and proximity, meaning you'll never be left typing in the dark. But what makes it really stand out is the Bluetooth connectivity that lets you pair it with up to 3 devices. Switching between your MacBook, iMac, and iPad is a breeze. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 10 days with backlighting on and up to 5 months without it. No need to worry about constantly recharging. Customization is a breeze with Logitech's Options Plus software, allowing you to create macros and personalize your keyboard setup. However, the premium price may be a consideration for those on a budget, and the wrist rest, which would make typing even more comfortable, comes separately, adding to the cost. The size might also be a bit large for users who prefer more compact setups. Still, compared to competitors like the Satechi SM1 Slim, which offers mechanical switches and a smaller form factor, the MX Keys S excels with its quiet, familiar typing feel. On number 5, RK Royal KLAWAD Wireless 60% Triple Mode. Looking for a compact keyboard that delivers both portability and solid performance? The RK Royal KLUDGE RK61 might be your perfect match. This 60% wireless mechanical keyboard is a dream for people who need to stay mobile, whether you're working in coffee shops or at home. The triple mode connectivity lets you connect via Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, or USB-C, offering flexibility in how you work. Plus, with hot swappable brown switches, you get a tactile typing experience that's great for both typing and gaming. Its compact design is a major highlight, but the backlighting is limited to blue. No RGB here, which could be a downside for some. On the plus side, it's very lightweight, and the plastic frame paired with a metal base plate makes it durable yet travel-friendly. The ABS keycaps might wear down over time, so if you're someone who types a lot, that's something to keep in mind. Some users have complained about high latency, especially when gaming, which might be a deal breaker for some. But if you're not a competitive gamer, this keyboard offers great value for money, especially compared to the Keychron K6, which offers a 65% layout but lacks the RK61's price advantage. On number 4, Nuphy Air 75 V2 Portable 75% Mechanical Keyboard. Who says you can't have both style and functionality? The Nuphy Air 75 V2 proves you absolutely can. This 75% mechanical keyboard has tri-mode connectivity, allowing you to switch seamlessly between Bluetooth 5G wireless and USB-C wired modes. Its slim profile, just 13.5 meters high, makes it one of the most portable options available without sacrificing quality. Plus, the Gateron Red switches offer a smooth, quiet typing experience, great for both work and casual gaming sessions. What really sets the Air 75 V2 apart is its customizable RGB backlighting, which adds a whole new level of style to your desk. But keep in mind, the non-shine-through keycaps can make the lighting look less impressive. Real-world usage shows it performs well with stable wireless connections and a battery life of up to 220 hours when the backlighting is off. Compared to competitors like the Keychron K5 Max, the Air 75 V2's low-profile design and hot swappable switches make it a standout, especially for those who want a stylish yet functional keyboard. On number 3, Logitech PopKeys Mechanical Wireless Keyboard with Customizable Emoji. If you're someone who loves a bit of personality with your productivity, the Logitech PopKeys might be the most fun choice on this list. The Daydream Mint color scheme is vibrant, and the round keycaps give it a nostalgic typewriter feel. The best part? You get 8 customizable emoji keys, making it perfect for those who spend time in social media or just like to add some flair to their typing. Despite its playful look, the mechanical switches provide a satisfying typing experience, and the multi-device connectivity, Bluetooth and USB, lets you switch between devices with ease. However, the lack of backlighting could be a drawback for some, especially when typing in low light conditions. While it does offer great value for money compared to something like the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini, the Pop keys lack certain features like backlighting and a more compact form factor, which might make it less appealing for those who need a more serious workspace keyboard. On number 2, Logic Ergo K860 split wireless keyboard. The Logitech Ergo K860 is a game changer for anyone who spends hours typing at their desk. If you're concerned about wrist strain, this ergonomic keyboard is the solution. The split design encourages a more natural typing posture, which can reduce fatigue over long typing sessions. The well-padded wrist rest adds even more comfort, making it perfect for professionals and developers who spend all day at the keyboard. It supports multi-dependent connectivity, so switching between your desktop, laptop, and phone is easy. However, the unique layout might take a bit of getting used to. The absence of backlighting might also be a problem for users who prefer to type in dim settings. But despite these small drawbacks, the build quality is solid, and the keyboard's low-profile scissor switches offer a responsive and quiet typing experience. When compared to competitors like the Microsoft Sculpt, the Ergo K860 comes out ahead with its modern design and multi-deport pairing. If you're looking for comfort and productivity, this keyboard is highly recommended. On number 1, Logitech MK544 Advanced Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Let's wrap up with an absolute classic, the Logitech MK540 Advanced Wireless Combo. This keyboard and mouse combo is ideal for those who need a reliable and affordable solution for everyday use. The full-size keyboard features quiet, responsive keys, perfect for long typing sessions, plus its spill-resistant design ensures that it'll last through accidental spills, making it a practical option for busy developers. A proportion-stylized filter, the full-size entry keyboard means it's a practical option for busy developers. The long battery life is one of the best things about this combo. Up to 3 years for the keyboard and 18 months for the mouse. This means less worry about constantly changing batteries. Compared to other products like the Logitech MK270, the MK540 offers better comfort and a more modern design. It's a great value for money option, especially for users who don't need fancy features like backlighting or programmable keys. If you're on a budget and need something reliable, the MK540 is hard to beat. Conclusion. And there you have it. From the sleek Logitech MX Keys S for Mac to the affordable yet feature-packed Logitech MK540, there's definitely something here for every developer. So, which one is the best overall? The Logitech MX Keys S for Mac wins our top spot due to its premium features, smooth typing experience, and customizability. Whether you're working from home or in the office, this keyboard provides the perfect balance of comfort, performance, and style. What do you think about these keyboards? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and check out the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching.